Hello, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to work on exponential equation, and we have one question here we are going to solve together step by step. The question says, given 4 power x is equal to 2 power y and 3 power x is equal to 9 power y minus 1, we're supposed to find the value of x and y. So we have given 4 power x. This is equal to 2 power y. I'll call this as equation number 1. And 3 power x. This is equal to 9 power y minus 1. I'm going to call this as equation number 2. Let us work on equation number 1. 4 power x. This is equal to 2 power y. Let us put in the same base. So 4 is the same as 2 power 2. This is power x. This is equal to 2 power y. We can multiply the power. Now we are going to have 2 power 2x. This is equal to 2 power y. Since we have the same base, we can equate the power. That means y is equal to 2x. I'm going to call this as equation number 3. From equation number 2, 3 power x, this is equal to 9 power y minus 1. Let's make them with the same base. I'm going to put 9 as base of 3. That is going to be 3 power x. This is equal to 3 power 2. That is 9. This is power y minus 1. I'm going to multiply the power. That is 3 power x. This is equal to 3. 2 multiplied by y minus 1. We have the same base. We can compare the power. That is x is equal to 2 in the bracket y minus 1. That is x is equal to 2y minus 2. I'll call this as equation number 4. Now we have equation number 3 and 4. We can use them to solve for x and y. And here I'm going to use substitution method. I'm going to substitute equation number 3 to equation number 1. That is, to the place of y, I'm going to substitute 2x. From equation number 4 now, x is equal to 2. I'm going to substitute y as 2x. Then minus 2. That is x is equal to 4x minus 2. I'm going to collect the like term. That is, I'll take minus 2 to the left and x to the right. So we are going to have 2. This is equal to 4x minus x. That is 2 is equal to 3x. I'll divide by 3. I'll divide by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, 1. That is x is equal to 2 out of 3. Now we get the value of x. We are going to substitute to equation number 3 to get the value of y. Y is equal to 2x. So y is equal to 2 multiplied by x, which is 3 over 2, which is 2 over 3. We are going to get y is equal to 4 over 3. So the value of x and y is x is equal to 2 over 3, and y is equal to 4 over 3. I hope you understand this question. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye. Bye. I hope you understand this question. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye. Bye.